everyone, it's time to have a look at our digraph of the week. Digraphs are two letters that make one sound, and we've learned quite a lot so far. So let's have a look at all of the digraph sounds that we know. Can you remember this one? Ch, ch, for, chew. Well done. And can you remember this sound? Shh, shh, said the horse to the hissing snake, who's trying to sleep. Can you remember this one? For thank you, thank you. The princess in the tower said thank you to the horse for rescuing her. Thank you. Oh, and now, can you remember this trigraph sound? These are three letters that make one sound. I, well done. I fly high. I fly high. Can you remember this sound? E, what can you see? E, what can you see? Who can remember this sound? A, well done. A, may I play? A, may I play? And the next sound? Ink. I think I stink. Ink. I think I stink. Ink. Great job. Can you remember this sound? Ng. 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 A thing on a string. Ng. A thing on a string. Ng. Can you remember this sound? Oh, well done. Oh, blow the snow. Oh, blow the snow. Oh. And last week we learned the sound ooh. Do you remember that one? Ooh, it's a funny one. Poo at the zoo. You remember this is the man who had to shovel and sweep up all the poo, and he was on his way to the elephants. Ooh, poo at the zoo. Ooh, poo at the zoo. Fantastic. Now this week we are learning the sound. Looks a bit like ooh, doesn't it? There's two sounds. But this sound is the sound Can you see that? Well done. Sometimes when we see two together, they make the sound ooh, poo at the zoo. But sometimes they make the sound And here's a picture of a mum and her little boy, and they're having a look at a book. Can you see that? Look at a book. Your turn. Great. Look at a book. Your turn. Look at a book. Look at a book. So to help us remember that this is the sound we've drawn some eyes in the middle of the sounds. So we remember that this is look at a book, and this is ooh, poo at the zoo. So today we're going to be having a look for the sound. And you should have your homework sheet that looks like this. There's the picture of the mum and the little boy having a look at a book. There's the sound. And then these are the words that I would like you to practice reading this week. Now, if you have a highlighter pen, you can have a go at highlighting the sound. And if you don't, you could have a go at drawing a line underneath with a coloured pencil. So let's have a look at my words. Can you see the sound up here? See if you can point to it on the screen. Yeah, there it is. In the middle, there's the sound. So we're going to highlight with our highlighter pen. There we go. The Should we read it? Took. Fantastic. Well done. Took. Let's have a look at the next one. Can you see the sound? There it is in the middle. Let's highlight that one. Look. Fantastic, well done. And the next one. Can you see the sound on your sheet? If you can, highlight it or draw a line underneath. And then we'll read it together. Ready? Book. Great reading, well done. Now, can you see this word on your sheet? See if you can find the sound. When you found it, highlight it or draw a line underneath and we'll read it together. Oh look, there's two letters that make one sound here. Can you remember this sound? Yeah, that's the sound. Shh, said the horse to the hissing snake. So we've got sh, shook. Fantastic, well done. Now we've just got two more to go. Can you see this word on your sheet? Have a look. Can you see the sound in the middle? If you can, highlight it. There we go. Read it together. Very good, well done. Do you like to cook? I do too. Now we've got one more word. Can you find this word on your sheet? Can you see the sound in the middle? So highlight that one. Super. Okay, ready? Foot. Great job, well done. So we found the words took, look, book, shook, cook, and foot. So have a go at reading these words every day, or you could have a go at writing them too if you like. You could have a go at making these words with Play-Doh, or maybe you could make them out of Lego, maybe on the floor, or you could paint them. You could make them with some magnet letters on your fridge, or with some sponge letters in your bath. You could do whatever you like with these words, but have a practice at reading them every day. And I will see you next week for our new Digraph Sound. Bye!